Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making for a 5-minute review. And today's video we will be reviewing Sword's F3H-2 Demon. This kit is 1/72 scale and it is a multimedia kit. So if you're not familiar with Sword, they are a kit manufacturer based out of the Czech Republic, and they do somewhat lesser known kind of one-off type of aircraft. But they are limited run kits. And so with a limited run kit, you are going to run into some things that you might not run into on a mainstream kit manufacturer like Tamiya, Eduard, or Hasegawa or Revell. Kit number for this is 72122. Retail price here in the United States is around $38. And it's a pretty decent boxing here. The actual cardboard itself is pretty thick, so the kit feels substantial. You have all your normal warnings and whatnot around the kit, and on the back you've got some lovely artwork for the markings options. You have VF-31 Tomcatters from 1959 and the VF-161 Chargers from 1964. Both are quite excellent colorful options for the markings. So opening up the box, it is a side open box, which is definitely not my favorite, but again, we're talking limited run kit here. So opening up, everything is packaged in one bag. However, the clear parts are packaged separately, and the multimedia parts are packaged separately as well. A few pieces did come off in travel, so just be aware of that. But here we have a front and separate canopy, or front and rear separate canopy. Here's some resin bits. So you get two options for ejection seats and the engine nozzle in resin. And then we have two main sprues of plastic. So sprue here has the main fuselage components, weapons, and like the horizontal stabilizers, things like that. We have one small sprue here that comes with alternate fins for the missiles, and then finally we have wings and cockpit detail and wheels and stuff like that. All the little bits here. The detail seems pretty nice, a little soft, but otherwise pretty good. The instrument panel looks nice. Decals look great. They're printed by TechMod. I am not familiar with them. I've never used these decals, but from all outward appearances, they look really nice. Very small carrier film, nice and glossy. Everything looks like it's in great register. Also comes with a small fret of photo etch. You get the wing fences, some speed brake detail, and then various bits for like the ejection seat and some other parts there. So nice that's included. Finally, we'll have a look at the instructions. They seem okay, almost hand-drawn, not what we're used to for modern manufacturers, but like I said, limited run. One interesting thing I've noted here, though, there is no first stage compressor detail. The actual inlet is walled off, so keep that in mind. But everything else pretty much follows suit. You have options for drop tanks, for weapons pylons, different missile types, open close canopy, things like that. So this is the first review that I've done, and what I'm going to do is kind of give a tally in three specific areas: plastic quality, decal quality, and then overall presentation of the kit. And I will rate them out of a 5 system here. So for the plastic, I'm going to rate this as a 3. It is limited run, so you're going to probably run into fit issues. The details do seem a little soft, and there is a decent amount of flash on the sprues. The decals, for now, until I can actually use them, I'm going to give them a 5 out of 5. They look fantastic. They feel fantastic. I cannot see any issues with them. And then overall presentation, like I said, it is a multimedia kit, so you get resin, you get photo etch, you get all this great stuff in there. It looks nice. It's got good options for decals, so I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 on here. So that was my 5-minute review on the Sword Demon. Here's my final tally. Thanks for watching.